I want to talk to you about overkilling, overdoing stuff. I had to get the truck out tonight to remove this basketball goal. I've been working on this for about a week. I cut all the way around the base. This old basketball goal, top broke off, rusted off years ago and whatnot. But I cut all around this base, and I went and got a masonry bit, and there's 1-inch rebar going to the middle of this thing all the way to the top. And I don't know why the guy built it this big, this tough, but I made cuts going up at intervals to see how high the concrete went, and I stopped here and the concrete was higher than that. So this was way overbuilt. Ended up being a royal pain in the butt to get off. There's no sense in doing this. You can see the base of the pole lasted far longer than the basketball goal itself. So why build it this big? Build it for what it's going to be. If it's going to rust away up here, build the base to last that long. Don't build a base that's going to be around when hell freezes over. Basically, I ended up cutting halfway through this rebar, and I'd gone through about $20 worth of Sawzall blades, diamond bit, the regular metal bit. I used the diamond bit to get through the concrete, and then tried to cut through this with a metal bit, but there's enough concrete left here that just killed the blade almost instantly. There's no way to get through this, really. And so having it that, I knew that it was getting weak and getting loose, and that's when I hooked up the truck and yanked it free. Yeah, don't overbuild stuff.